This is the Marlin Manhattan. This is the Marlin. Hello? 1, 2. I don't. It's working. Great. This microphone isn't working. Hey, Richard. Richard.
Yeah.
Smash it. I need a better mic. Like, get me one. Get me a better mic. Come on. It's your thumb. It's not a mic. Hand me the microphone. Hand it to me. Throw it to me. Give it to me. Oh, I'm sorry. Yeah, you might want to hold that. This is the Marlin Manhattan Show. Our next guest, he is an up-and-coming rapper from South Jerusalem, the Star of David. Everybody give it up. So I hear you want to work for us.
Yeah. Hold the cord on my arm. Just wrap it around really tight. Okay. Thank you.
So you want to be a weatherman?
Yeah, bruh.
Why?
My mom died.
What does your mom dying have to do with weather?
Hurricane, man. She got swept up, bro. Got swept up by that hurricane, and I thought, maybe I could like prevent other moms from dying. You know what I'm saying? Like tell people like, yo, there's a hurricane coming. I should have been watching the news. I should have been telling my mama, don't go outside. What you doing outside? Don't go outside. She died because I don't watch the news, man.
Look at how red this is.
I want to tell people about those hurricanes and shit before they're on their front porch. You know what I'm saying? You know what I'm saying? That's what we gotta do in the world. All these people worrying about money and bitches and hoes and stuff, man. Man, that ain't all life's about, man. You gotta.
This does not look safe. Look at this.
So, what are your references? Like, where have you worked before?
A lot of places, bro. I worked at Arby's for a while.
Arby's?
Worked at Sanford's. That shit was gay. Worked at I actually was a pimp for a little bit, but prostitutes started getting a little out of hand.
What kind of prostitutes do you have in Jerusalem?
Fucking sexy ones, man. My uncle's brother, he was a geometrist and.
Pull up in this bitch with an AK.
What the fuck did you just say?
Pull up in this bitch with an AK.
Boy, you better shut your damn mouth. What the fuck you doing? What you doing? What you doing, man? What?
Bat! 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 Richard! God fucking damn it, Richard. Well, look what you did. Look what you did. God damn it, he was the...
Pull up in this bitch with an AK.
fucking damn it, Richard. Hey! Get up! Get up!
What the fuck? Dad, get off of me, man.
Hey! Hey! You got the job. Richard, no doing that again. I almost fucking killed him.
What fucking job?
Get up!
Am I pimping?
No! You're our weatherman. Get the fuck up and get out.
Fuck, bro.
No! Get out. Get out. Richard, get back in your chair. I'm like severely, like internally angry at you right now. Whatever. Whatever. This is how the job goes, right?
Yeah.
And now for our short little segment. How fast can Marlin Manhattan drink a Sunkist? Richard, give me the Sunkist. Give it.
No.
Bitch.
No.
Bitch.
Mm-mm.
Bitch.
No.
Come on. Please. Please, come on. We gotta keep the show going. Come on, give me the Sunkist.
No, what's wrong?
Give me the
This
Sunkist.
is my Sunkist.
No, give me the Sunkist.
What? Stop.
Sunkist.
Stop.
Sunkist. Damn, Richard. You're like the worst co-host I could ever have. God.
I'm so confused about whatever this is.
Glass of fertility. I think that's what the old lady said anyways. She was really weird. She came up to me with that and she's like, hey, if you stab someone with that, like it's probably worth like $30 at least. No?
Oh, no.
No?
No.
Oh. So, oh, my cupcake. Richard, your nipples get erect, right? Mine don't, but
Why?
I don't know why. So I found out yesterday, so I was kind of taking a shower and I was thinking about how my nipples don't get erect. And I kind of just, popped in the shower, turned the water on, boom, they're erect. But then I touch them like this, okay? And then they go soft again. Like, what the hell? I have dysfunctional nipples or something, honestly. You were hungry, weren't you?
I guess.
No? Oh, okay. Bring out the AR15. Get out of your chair, Richard. God, you're so disrespectful.
Can I get some napkins, please?
Yeah. They're already kind of dirty here.
Thanks, bro.
So AR15. Why do you kill kids? Okay. So your uncle physically abused you when you were 5. Just because you had some kind of problem in your household doesn't mean you have the right to kill kids.
Would you like some?
I don't know if we can have you on the show. We're probably gonna get arrested. Get him out of here. Get. that was AR15. And now for the weather.
Welcome to the weather. My name is Bryce, you know, my real name. Bryce with the mice, you know, he sliced the ice twice with the dice so they could eat the rice because Bryce is nice and there ain't no price on lice, bitch! Anyway, here to talk about the weather, obviously, you know, I got this job, it's pretty cool. You know, I'm on TV, you know, it's kind of crazy, but anyway, weather. I heard on the news earlier that it's gonna like rain streams, I guess. And so there you go, it rain streams. Watch out, man. If that shit happen, you driving, boom, you off the road, man, you dead, man. Don't do that shit. Like, I almost died earlier today trying to get this fucking job, shit. Fucking, that tall dude fucking scary, dude. Me and him about to scrap one of these days, man. You better watch out, man. But watch out, man. Anyway, you know, I'm working on my anger issues, you know, I got out of prison a few years ago. It's all good. I'm all good, man. Speak of weather, that's right, weather. What? Weather. 2% chance of tornado. Thought I should warn people. You know. Scary out there. Scary out there, bro. So, what's the weather? Have a good night, guys, and don't get caught out there in the string fest, you know what I'm saying?